हेलो दोस्तों, आप सभी का स्वागत है। आज कुछ और रीजनिंग के क्वेश्चंस के साथ मैं आपके साथ अवगत हो रहा हूँ। यहाँ पर देखिए कि कुछ पहला मैथ है 1 + 4 = 5, 2 + 5 = 12, 3 + 6 = 21, 8 + 11 = कितना होगा। तो यहाँ पर देखिए मैंने किया हुआ है 1 + 4 = 5, 5 + 5 = 10, and 10 + 2 = 12. The answer is 12. So how I make this math? So it is easily understand for all of you. आप सभी के लिए बहुत easily understandable है, मैंने कर दिया है। The next one is 12 + 6 = 18, 18 + 3 = 21. Then 21 + 11 = 32. Then 32 + 8 = 40. The answer is 40. Number 2, 56, 65, 78, 12, question mark 30, 44, 14, 48. तो ये किस तरह से होगा, इसका पैटर्न फॉलो कीजिए। So how we can solve it? Follow the pattern. 56 - 44, तो कितना होगा माइनस करने से 12। तो देखिए मिडिल में 12 है। देन 65 - 14, हाउ मच वी विल गेट 51। इन द मिडिल द आंसर इज 51। ओके, द नेक्स्ट 78 - 48 = 30. The answer is, middle answer is 30. So next math, 5, 5, 2, 2, 4, 1, 8, 3, 10, 40, 30, question mark. So how we will solve this? 8 × 2, 16, 16 × 5, 80. So we can divide it 80 by 2. So the answer is 40. Okay, first of all 8 × 2 = 16, 16 × 5 = 80. Then we will divide 80 by 2. So this is the pattern. Okay, so the next one is 5 × 4, 20, 20 × 3 = 60. Then we will divide 60 by 2. The answer is 30. In this way, the third arrow 2, 1, 10. Okay, so first of all 2 × 1 = 2, then 2 × 10 = 20. Then we divide 20 by 2. The answer is 10. In the question mark area, the answer is 10. Next one, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10, 17, 26, question mark. So follow the pattern. Okay, 3 × 2 = 6 plus 4 = the answer is 10. So this way all the pattern we need to follow. The next one, 2, 4, 3, 5, 9, 7, 6, 9, 6, 28, 77, question mark. So in this math follow the pattern. 5 × 6 = 30, 30 - 2 = 28. The answer is 28. So this way all the pattern are followed. So friends, in the next video I will give you more reasoning questions. So for today this maths here up to. Okay, in the next video we will give you some more reasoning maths. Thank you.